Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm happy to announce the big winner of the HGLRC Mefisto racing quadcopter. In order to participate in the giveaway, all you had to do is just to leave the lucky number 1111, which was mentioned on my review of the HGLRC Mefisto, as a comment on my giveaway video, and you could also enter the giveaway on the Facebook activity that was hosted on HGLRC's Facebook page. So in order to pick up the winner, first of all I'm going to make all the comments that were held for review public. So you can see we had 238 participants and also 2 that are marked as spam, and I'm also going to approve them because these are not spam comments. So I'm going to approve these comments. And now after all the comments have been approved, I'm going to select 6 participants from the YouTube giveaway, and I'm going to select 2 participants from the Facebook giveaway. You can see that we had a total of 56 participants from the Facebook giveaway. These participants shared the post from HGLRC Facebook page and also liked their page. So I'm going to select 2 from the Facebook giveaway and 6 from the YouTube giveaway. Then I'm going to select 2 participants out of this list. The first one is going to win the Mefisto, and the runner-up is going to win it in case the big winner is not going to show up until the 1st of December. So now I'm going to select 6 random participants from the YouTube giveaway. We had a total comment of 235 unique commenters. We can start. Stefan Ogborn is the first one to enter, and you can see he mentioned the lucky number. The second one to enter is Nebula. Kyle Quick. Ryan Saula, but he didn't follow the rules. I don't see any lucky number here, so sorry Ryan, you didn't follow the rules. Ellen Nichols. Thanks for your hard work. My pleasure, Ellen. Thank you for your support. So we have 2 more to go. Dodge Boy. And 1 more from YouTube. Kanisa Mankoba. And now I'm going to pick 2 participants from the Facebook giveaway. So I'm going to randomly select a number between 2 to 56. First number is 49. And the person that is going to enter is Shane Less. And the second one is 41. So this is Fuck Long. And now I'm going to randomly select a number between 2 to 9 twice. The first person that I'm going to choose is the big winner, and the second one is going to be the runner-up, which is going to be the runner-up, which will get the Mefisto in case the big winner is not going to show up. So over here we have the big winner and the runner-up. So the big winner who won the Mefisto is, drumroll, number 5, Ellen Nichols. Ellen Nichols, congratulations, you just won that Mefisto, and I really hope you're going to show up, because if you're going to miss out, it's going to be a shame. And the runner-up, in case Ellen is not going to show up, is number 9. Number 9 is Fuck Long. Oh, I hope I pronounce your name correctly. So you are the runner-up. Again, the big winner is Alan Nichols, so congratulations Alan. What I want you to do is to send me an email. I'm going to leave my details down below, and I'm going to check that you are the correct winner. I'm going to write down the Facebook profile and also the YouTube profile that you used in order to comment. So don't send me an email if you're not one of these 2 guys, because it's just going to waste your time and mine. And on my last giveaway, I had some imposers. So again, I'm going to check it. Don't worry, the correct winner is going to get the prize, and I won't be fooled easily. I would like to thank HGLRC for sponsoring this giveaway, and of course also all of you guys for your continued support. If you didn't win the Mefisto and you still want to get it, you can use my 15% off code, which is going to be included in the description box down below, along with a link to HGLRC's current promotion. They have a big promotion for Black Friday, so I recommend to check it out. As always, I thank you for watching my video and see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.